We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up USD, CAD. We are on a monthly time frame. Price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle. So we have price action overall, higher highs, price action overall, lower lows, midpoint. Let's zoom into price and see what's going on. So price action on the monthly time frame is a bullish green candle with a bit of a long wick down to that bottom of that candle. So that market can be creating an area of support to work its way up, or it may be running to an area of resistance because we have multiple touches within that area, and that market can be coming down if we do not receive the break. So there's also a pattern that happened below price, so let's talk about that. For that market to create that incline to where it's currently at, we do see that overall first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg retest. Market pushed up once, retest. Market pushed up twice, retest. If it's respected here, market's pushing up for that third time. And it will head over to price action high, price action low. So there's a midpoint somewhere in this area here. Now that market's going to work its way down from that area. It's coming from a pattern. Pattern's right near that area of price. So we do have that. So first off, before that, we see that area, that pattern forming that area is an overall pattern of that break of this area here. So this market's coming back to retest. So if we identify a bearish red candle, a pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet, we can see that market doing that break retest, and the market comes down. So in that area of price, we do have a pattern that's forming. So coming up in red is the first leg, second leg, third leg, and wait, let's do that again. Come up in green, first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and we have that retest. So if the market is denied at this area and we receive that rejection, market's coming down from that double top and retest altogether, a triple top in that area. So we also have a midpoint in that area of where price is currently at in that low. So there's something going on and it's here. So this is why we can see that that price action candle is respected. Or that market can consolidate within this area side by side. So also price action, second last candle, third last candle, fourth last candle, some of fifth is all within each other. So it's still consolidating with a bit of a push from price action. Headed to the weekly time frame. Price action on the weekly time frame is a bullish green candle. So we can see that market identifying if it does come down from this area. Market's coming from that overall first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, and we got the overall retest back to the previous area. And if it comes down, market's coming down from overall triple top or double top in retest. And if price is respected, we can see that incline W. So we do have that first leg, overall second leg, third leg, looking for the engulfment pattern, which we do have. Price action is engulfing the previous second, third to fourth last candle, but price action is near this area here, this highest high, price action high. So if price action is already touching that zone area, that near the SR line, so if it doesn't break as it's moving forward, then it can come down from that area. So we got to be careful to see what's really going on as we walk down the time frame. Or that market can consolidate within price. So price, second, third, fourth last candle is all within each other. I mean, we do have the engulfment, but like I said before, price action is lined up with the SR line. So we have to see what's going on as we walk down the daily time frame. Price action on the daily time frame is a bullish green candle working its way up. Candles are still having the same size of price in second, not too far away from the third candle size. So market isn't losing momentum, so there's a chance that it can break. But we do know that it's near our SR line. So we're going to see if that market is going to decline from this area here, or will we receive in that break of that area. And if so, if we do receive the break, that's an overall pattern from that first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg, retest, market pushed up once, retest the top, and market can break out, coming from a double bottom and a retest. Headed down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame price action, bullish green candle with the long wick up to the top with the price second and third. Second last candle, third last candle are dojis in the market. So all three of these candles showing as losing momentum for that breakout to the upside. So that market's consolidating within this area. So we have to wait for a pattern to form to dominate these candles to see if that market is going to break out. Now, if anything dominates the second and third last candle, which is the dojis, they'll be shown as going to be breaking out fully for a break and retest. If not, we can be receiving a bearish red candle or pattern from Forex pattern cheat sheet that's going to engulf at least the third to last candle in the market doji to push that market down. If not the third to last candle doji, you may want to take out the fifth to last candle doji, and that market can work its way down from a pattern. So within price, second, third to last candle, the market is also identifying a pattern, which is multiple pushes to that top of resistance. So it's identifying a double top and price actions to retest. On a 3-hour time frame, we can see price is a doji. So what happened is the market pushed up, second last candle retest, and price is at the midpoint of that area. If we receive a pattern or a bearish red candle, market's coming down from that double top. If not, we can see that market push up, retest, and we're looking for price action engulf the second, third to last candle to break up and above, and it will be lined up with the SR line. So then we'll follow up with the break of the SR line and retest. Same as the 2-hour time frame, headed down to the 1. Same as the 1, we can see that area, it could be an area of support. So if so, first, second, third, fourth, retest, receive a pattern in that area, market's coming up from a double bottom and a retest. If not, that market can be rejected. So if this is the rejection, we are looking for price action to engulf the second last candle and maybe some of the third. So we'll be identifying that overall first, second, third, and market's coming down from that double top. As you walk down further, it may identify as a triple top because we have a long wick to this side here. So we can see that market spiked up once, twice, 3 times. Price action, bearish red candle, trying to engulf the second last candle is still within. So that's consolidation happening on the 45-minute time frame. Same as well with the 30. It's still lined up with the third to last candle in the market. So it's still having a hard time to break. You want to see that fully engulfed, close out, so we can see that market work its way down, and we can see that consolidation that is building. So if this market is rejected, there's a pattern forming in that area. And we'll talk about that in a 15-minute time frame. And the pattern it's an overall double bottom. So we have the first leg, second leg, third leg, looking for that market to engulf the previous side for that break of that double top retest and work its way down. I did say double bottom, I meant to say double top. And on the 5-minute time frame, price is lined up with the SR line to exact with a long wick down to that bottom. So we don't know if that market's going to create that area of support respect and work its way back up. That means we're looking for a bullish green candle to engulf price action and go back up to that area, unless we receive that break and retest at the bottom of the SR line. On a 3-minute time frame, we have a retest. So what happened is that the market broke, just came back to retest. So now we're still waiting for that pattern to form to engulf the price action doji. On a 1-minute time frame, now we can see that doji's doing is creating an area of consolidation. Still the same thing. Break, retest. You're still waiting for that area to see what's going to do. If price action respected for that third leg, then we're looking for a fourth leg to push out with a bullish green candle, and we will receive that double bottom. If not, you're looking for that bearish candle to engulf the previous side, which can push that market down for a following break and retest, or maybe bearish red candles working its way down. Please study Forex pattern cheat sheet breakout retest strategy. Okay guys, Cam Jones, FX.